up, good people? Huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2023 Ioniq 5. Today we're introducing the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This particular model wrapped in a Lucid blue. For the length, 182 inches, height 63 inches. You have a wheelbase of 118 inches with a ground clearance of 6.1 inches. This particular model have a starting MSRP of $50,000. This particular model have a dual motor with a 239 kilowatt lithium battery pushing out 320 for the instant torque, 446 for the total range, 300 for the MPG highway, 98 city, 132. Let's hear the sound of this. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with gray two-tone leather seats. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch digital cluster gauge with EV technology. On the left you have your MPH with your battery percentage. On the right you have your power with your miles to charge. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your driving info, compass, recharge, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. The buttons on the left side of the steering wheel are your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command with your drive mode. On the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise control settings with your lane following assist alongside your highway driving assist. The buttons on the left side of the steering wheel are your interior dim with your traction control with your trunk release alongside your auto hold with your electronic parking. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch high definition touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Blue Link. You have your backup camera. You have your traditional radio shortcuts with your dual climate control. In the cubby area, you have your USB with your 12-volt outlet. You have your EV button. You have your shift bezel. This particular model have a single speed reduction gear. You have your cup holder area. In the center floor area, you have your 2 USB with your wireless charging pad. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect with your Blue Link. This particular model have ambient lighting throughout the whole vehicle. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with gray two-tone leather seats. You have 2 more USBs in the back of the vehicle. You have air vents on the B pillar. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. What up, good people? We're in the Ioniq 5 right now. I'm driving it. You know, first impression, I like it. Drive really smooth. on the roads quiet compared to a combustion engine? Yes, you know. But one downfall for me right now that I'm looking at is looking for a charger. I thought I was gonna find a close charger around my house, but I don't. I went to the Tesla charging station. I was like, oh, but yeah, that was something crazy. But so right now I'm looking for another charging station to see how long would it take to charge the car compared to, you know, like gas, you know. So that's what we're doing. We're looking for a charging station. But first impression, like I said, first initial impression is amazing driving this vehicle. It's, you know, it's unique, quiet, very responsive. And one cool thing this car have is smart cruising. So as I'm driving the vehicle, I put it on smart cruise, and this car will start stirring itself, making sure it stays in the lane. So right now I'm going to put it on smart cruise, and there's a car in front of us, and it's just basically staying in the lane, making sure everything is good. So I just take my feet off the brake. Smart cruise is, me personally, is amazing. I like it a lot. The person in front of us was hitting about 50 at one point in time. Now it dropped the car down, but yeah. So right now it's detecting a car coming beside us. As you know, it's the blind spot detection, and you have a little icon right there saying that the car just rode past us and is detecting the car in front of us. Yeah, smart cruise, I like it. I'm not gonna say I'm a fan of it. Like I said, one downfall for me right now is the charging. EV cars is a little bit more popular for different brands, different models. That's when I guess it will be a little bit more different charging stations. So yeah. But right now, Smart Cruise is pretty amazing in itself. As you know, like I said, it's a car, it's detecting the car, right past me. I'm like, yo. So Smart Cruise stays in the lane while I'm just having a conversation with you. Yes, it does ask me to put my hands on the steering wheel. After I say about 30 seconds, it'll tell me to put my hands on the steering wheel and make sure, hey, I'm still awoke and I'm paying attention behind the wheel.
In 700 feet, keep left onto Churchland. Keep left onto Churchland and in 1 mile, take US 17 south on the right.
So, counseling it. Try to see if I can get another charging station. I may go to the Nissan dealership and see if I can go up there and charge up again. Right? Yeah. Yeah. You probably like, why are you looking for a charging station? Really not out of battery juice. I'm at 81%, but to have that knowledge that if I need to charge my vehicle, how can I charge my vehicle? Yesterday I plugged it in the home adapter, and it said, and it was at like a 73%, and it told me that it was like 22 hours for a 12-volt charging. And yes, so I kept it up there for a while, but when I got up this morning, it was at 93%, so that was pretty good. Once again, huge shout out to whole Hyundai for allowing me to view the 2023 Ioniq 5. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.